Well, I am absolutely ruined. That run has made a lot of my body ache, more than I expected. Just cooking up breakfast now, but yeah, to start this vlog, I just wanted to just give you an update on how the body is feeling from yesterday's long run, and it's definitely taking its toll. I haven't really stretched out this morning though, so hopefully that'll help, but my hammies are feeling very tight, legs feeling very tight and achy, and we are meant to have a leg day today, which is going to be tough. Leg day and football training later on, so not the best for recovery, but I'm trying to just get all the intense work done at the start of the week so that I can recover for Saturday's game. So sometimes you just got to get it done. So it'll be a light sort of intensity volume runners / footballer supported leg day, not doing too much strength based work. So yeah, see how that goes. But yeah, body is definitely feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it this morning. But we've got a big old breakfast being cooked up now. So time to get the coffee down me, get breakfast in, and get cracking with today. I'm going to put you on a little something for those who like scrambled eggs, but you can't be asked to just have the eggs, or you need a little bit of flavour. Trust me when I say I've added in 150 grams, but add in a little bit of cottage cheese, and you basically get cheesy scrambled eggs with a tremendous amount of protein as well. Listen, like cheddar and stuff like that's obviously an option you can do, but if you want more protein and you want to feel more full, then cottage cheese in your eggs is a little hack for you. But yeah, like I said, we're going back to like a sort of not deficit of maintenance, but deficit through exercise. So breakfast, apart from on long run days, is going to be this every single time: 5 eggs, 150 grams of cottage cheese, half an avocado, and about 10 to 15 g, probably 10 g of psyllium husk. So protein, healthy fats, fibre. That is going to be the go-to breakfast from now on. But look at it just cooking up, and it starts to you get a little bit runny, but then it all comes together nicely. So if you're looking for a high protein, healthy fat breakfast that's going to give you stable energy, that is it. I'm intrigued though. I want to hear, like, what is everyone who follows these vlogs? Again, thank you for following first and foremost and keeping up with the vlogs. But what is your go-to? Let me just turn that off while I'm asking this question. What is your go-to breakfast? Because I always bang on about how I'm always, healthy fats, protein, fibre in the morning only. But a lot of people, like overnight oats just in general, like, I don't know, breakfast bap or breakfast sandwich or something, breakfast wrap, whatever. What is your go-to breakfast? That's what I want to know. Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to see. Now we're talking. Double espresso, 5 big old eggs, half an avocado, and 150 grams of cottage cheese. That is what you call a proper breakfast to give you balanced energy, protein, healthy fats. I've had my psyllium husk as well, bearing in mind that is 9 grams of fibre. Perfect. 9 grams of fibre, about, what we got here? We're looking at about 45 grams of protein as well. Listen, if you want to lose body fat, start your day with a breakfast like that and thank me later. That is all I will say on that matter. But aside from that, the first sip, you can't beat that first sip. I've put the seasonings on it now. Let's give you a little taste test of the old cottage cheese eggs. Just so simple but so effective. Get yourself on the old cottage cheese eggs. Thank me later. Gonna finish this off, crack on with work, and then we've got legs later on.
leg day after 25k is not for the faint-hearted. But what I really wanted to say is, any of you guys skipping this machine, drop your ego, suck up your pride. And if you're a runner, athlete, and just want to strengthen your glutes, I'm gonna flip it. Get on it. Suck up your ego and get on this machine. You need it. What a mad angle.
Bosh! Leg day done. Post 25k. Absolutely smashed it out of the park. Again, didn't record much, but smashed it out. Split squats, single leg extensions, hamstring curls, back hyper extensions, calf raises, hip abduction, hip adductor. Bosh, done. Simple, light work. Back home for a 2-minute meal that I just recorded a reel on. Literally, cottage cheese, peanut butter, honey, mix that all up, and then chuck 150 grams of raspberries on top. And you know what you have there? 35 grams of protein, 10 grams of fibre in 2 minutes, because we ain't all got the time in the world to be spending hours in the kitchen, do we? So, what can I say? Quick, convenient, high protein, gut friendly, high fibre meals. That is what you want post workout. But, getting into it, let's give it a go, because just so simple, so convenient. That's all you need. And the flavours. When people say fruit is nature's candy, they ain't wrong, because these raspberries taste sensational. Sorry, that was a bit messy, my bad. But wow, that is proper. Fills you up, keeps you satiated, gonna provide energy, repairs the muscles, good for your gut. What more do you want in a meal? Have a butcher's at that. Bosh! Woof. Woof. That's all I can say to that. Pre-training protein oats with chopped up dates and honey going down. And that'll be the last meal before football. Probably the last meal of the day. I'll probably have a little shake on the way home, and that'll be it. But yeah, just thought I'd show you pre-training fuel about 2 hours before. Probably have a banana just before. But yeah, protein, a little bit of carbs, not too heavy. Never like to have heavy stuff on football days, but that is a little pre-training meal going down.
One, that's one.
Time!
What's Scotty doing on the pitch? I should record him. Fuck Luke Alfano. Let's record him.
Knackered. Absolutely knackered. That run yesterday has caught up with me. Leg day today. Just finished football training, and I'm not gonna lie, for 30 minutes of that training, my legs just weren't having it. They just weren't working. I was running like I shat myself. Honestly, it was bad. I literally could not move. But either way, 2 workouts done again. but definitely need to rest the legs tomorrow. I was going to do like a little shakeout recovery run, but we'll see. But I've got push day anyway. But in more positive news, I managed to finally find what I've been looking for. We got it. Tom Parker chocolate milk. And you know why I've been looking for this one in particular? Because there's some dead arts like Nourishments, chocolate milk, fake chocolate milks, like it's horrendous. But this one, ingredients: whole milk, raw cane sugar, cacao powder, not even, doesn't say cacao powder, just cacao, and natural vanilla. That is all that is in this chocolate milk. Now you've seen the one that I make, it's basically the same ingredients, but I have heard very, very good things about this, so I am excited to try it. And if it's good, it's one of them where you can just grab it, like if you're on a long run and you've smashed it out, little reward on the way back. Let's see. Mr. Tom Parker, I hope you do not disappoint, because I've heard good things. So let's do, oh, look at the pop on that, a little taste test. Cheers to chocolate milk. Oh my word. I have no... Wow. Wow, why is it spilling? Why is it spilling? I don't want to waste any of that. Wow. Oh my. That is crazy. Tom Parker Creamery. That is the post game day, post long run. That's it. I found this in Waitrose today. Go find it. Oh my word. Natural goodness, trust in the taste. I trust in the taste, bro. Whatever you put in that, Tom. That is sensational. Oh my. I'm just going to have to leave the vlog there. Leg day done. Football training done. But the star of the show today is that bad boy right there. If you are Sainsbury's, Waitrose, I can't even speak, that was sensational. Honestly, get your hands on that. Post long run, don't just have it because it is hefty calories. But after a well-deserved intense session, that chocolate milk, remember, is very good and scientifically proven for recovery. It is probably the best drink for recovery after intense workout. And that, wow. Crazy. Like, comment, can't even speak. Like, comment, subscribe, just for that chocolate milk.